in criminal defense, with the multitude of different cases, variety of factors in each, and the considerations, what have you really enjoyed about the time that you've spent, nearly 40 years in criminal defense here in Dubuque?
Well, I've enjoyed the people. I really have. I mean, I enjoyed everybody from clerks to court reporters to the police. Yeah. It's a nice camaraderie amongst all of that.
All right, and so with the cases that you handle and the different defendants that you work with and advocate for, what has been the biggest satisfaction that you've been able to get out of the cases that you've been able to handle?
Well, other than the occasional win, it's just helping people get through a difficult time, and sometimes you're lucky enough to get some gratification back, but it's not really necessary. You know you've helped them, and that's what it was all about.
Sure. And so, what are some of the biggest changes that you've seen in your career and in practicing criminal defense, and how cases are approached? And
Well, I think we talked earlier about the biggest thing. The biggest thing is the technology. It's just changed so much, and since I started in 1979. I mean, you can just from the physical things the technological things you use. There were no computers, there were no cell phones, there were no fax machines, there were no. I mean, like I told you earlier, I started with carbon paper to make my copies. From that standpoint, it's changed it dramatically, and then that all goes over into the preparation of a case and an investigation of a case. I mean, where we used to have written reports from police officers, we have DVDs, audio tapes, all that stuff to watch over. Everything is recorded. Obviously, the pictures are they're all digital. Everything is. I mean, it just from that standpoint, everything is just totally different from the way it was, and that is a harder and I think adds to the more difficulty in preparing for the case because there's just more information. More information.
And so, in your practice of criminal law and defending people in cases, how often was it that you came up against a case where, just the nature of it and the offense that was committed just was difficult for you personally to kind of get over?
Well, the easy answer is never, and that's probably as close to true as I can get. There have been a couple cases that once you get into them, you don't hit it off with the defendant. You're having problems with the prosecution because you're taking differing views. But that didn't happen a lot, really didn't. And like I said, some of the more serious cases were, you're here to do a job, and your job is to defend the defendant's rights that they're guaranteed under the Constitution. So it's much bigger than just the defendant himself. It's our way of life.